In the bustling offices of Meridian Corporation, the head of sales, Laura, felt the pressure of an ever-evolving market landscape. She knew the key to staying ahead was a well-trained team, adept in both sales and marketing strategies. She devised a plan to transform her team into a powerhouse of persuasive communicators and strategic thinkers. Laura started by analyzing the current skill levels of each team member. Rather than a one-size-fits-all approach, she tailored training programs to address specific needs. For new hires, she developed a foundational program covering the basics of sales techniques and marketing fundamentals. This program emphasized the importance of understanding the customer journey, identifying pain points, and creating compelling narratives that resonate with them. For more experienced staff, Laura focused on advanced strategies and emerging trends. These sessions encouraged seasoned employees to refine their skills, explore digital marketing tactics, and integrate cutting-edge technology into their workflows. She invited industry experts to conduct workshops and webinars, providing a dynamic platform for interaction and learning. Laura understood that communication was pivotal in both sales and marketing. She organized role-playing exercises to enhance interpersonal skills, teaching team members to mirror body language, read cues, and anticipate objections. By simulating real-life scenarios, Laura helped her team build emotional intelligence, fostering deeper connections with clients. The training extended beyond theoretical knowledge. Practical exercises allowed the team to apply what they had learned in real-world situations. Laura coordinated collaborative projects that encouraged cross-departmental teamwork, fostering a culture of shared knowledge and unity in pursuit of common goals. Recognizing the power of data in crafting effective strategies, Laura introduced her team to advanced analytics tools. They learned how to track performance metrics, analyze customer data, and derive actionable insights. This data-driven approach empowered the staff to make informed decisions, aligning marketing efforts with organizational objectives. As the training progressed, Laura sought feedback to continuously refine the program. Surveys and one-on-one sessions allowed her team to voice their opinions and experiences, ensuring the training remained relevant and engaging. By the end of the training period, the transformation was evident. The team was not only more skilled and knowledgeable, but also more cohesive and confident. This success reflected in improved sales figures and more robust marketing campaigns, solidifying Meridian Corporation's position as a leader in their industry. Laura's comprehensive approach to training emphasized adaptability and continuous learning. Her team was better equipped to navigate the challenges of the sales and marketing world, turning potential obstacles into opportunities for growth. Meridian's future was bright, with a well-trained staff ready to tackle any challenge that came their way.